Who is witness? Is a person who has actually seen the incident when it was happening. Eyewitness. So, if an event occurs while you are on the duty, you may be required to write a witness statement. Witness statement is a statement summarizing the oral evidence that a witness will give. So employers, they typically have specific forms that are to be used for this purpose. And they typically include the following key components as you see on your screen here. Basic information, you will just write date, time, and the place statement was taken. Description means you will write the description of the relevant information on the witness. Narrative is you will write the description of what exactly happened. Clarification means if you have any questions and answers to be asked to clarify the things, you can ask the witness. Confirmation, you take the confirmation of the person for the statement accuracy with the signature of the witness and the time and date statement was taken is to be included in the witness statement. Now, how to write, where to write, what to include in the witness statement. So if an event occurs while you are on the duty, you may be required to conduct interviews with those involved and any witnesses around. You will first find a place where you will not be disturbed, but do not forget your obligations and responsibilities on the job site. Always address the witness directly, address the individual directly and at their eye level. For example, if they are seated, you must be seated as well. Concentration is very important. Concentrate on the speaker's words. Do not ask your next inquiry while the speaker is still speaking. Do not concentrate on the particular aspect of the person's look. Do not keep on watching their cheeks or their eyes or something like that. Bring your focus back if you feel it wandering. Do not let them distract it. If the individual begins chatting about anything other than the event, you have to gently bring them back to the topic at hand and tell them that it is necessary to get the facts and your duty side by side to take thorough notes. Always inform the individual at the beginning of the discussion that you will be taking the notes and the significance of those notes to your inquiry. If the individual opposes, you must take notes as quickly as possible following the interview, while all the information is still fresh in your mind. And get the contact information of the witness. You can ask for their contact information because you might need more information or someone else like the police wants to speak with the witness. Plus, maintain confidentiality of any information you get, like their contact numbers, etc. And clarify that you will share the information with only those who need it. For example, police. And do not make any unfulfillable commitments with the witness. For example, you cannot say them that I will protect your identity or it will be easier if you will cooperate with me. Do not make the commitments like this with the person.